Write your name and what people call you. Instagram chain story. Add yours viral sticker. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So this is a Portuguese add your sticker. So if you want to see how you can make it, then you can keep on watching. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And from here you can go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you have to click, and you can also check these other viral stickers like this one or this one if you like. So there we have it. From here you can click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So now you have to go to your uploads and choose a background photo, of course. I will go with this one. This is just an example for you guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. I will not make it perfect right now, but you can do it, of course. So now you can go to text from the top of the screen, and here you have to write your name first, and then you have to type in how people call you. So in my case, like this and like this. Then you can set a color and the type of the text, place it where you want. So once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now let me show you from where you can get that link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, go to super viral on my page at highlights, and here the first story is not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube link right here. So you just have to click here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.